So students, here we will see the question and answers and few sample questions of analytical paragraph. First question. Below is a graph given showing birth and death rates in a country from 1901 to 2101. Write an analytical paragraph in 100 to 150 words. So here students, the X line shows the birth rate and the Y line shows the death rate. So in other way, we can say that the dark black line shows the birth rates and the light gray or bluish color line shows the death rate. So here we will see the various years given in the graph as well as the birth and death throughout the year. So first, as we have seen that the three main things are quite important. First is introduction, second is the body, and third is the conclusion. So first line, here we are able to see the birth and death rate of a country. So we will write the first line shows the graph shows birth and death rate starting from 1901 till 2101. That's it. This is the first introductory line. Then comes the body of the paragraph. So here students, from 1901, we can see the data. 20,000 birth rate. Then it is increasing 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we are going to write in that way. Since 1901, the birth rate has remained more than the death rate until 2041. Birth rate was 20,000 in 1901 and started increasing gradually. It peaked in 1961 to around 65,000. So here students, we can see this birth rate is going at peak and it is coming till 65,000. So we are going to write that started increasing gradually. It peaked in 1961 to around 65,000. From 1961, birth rate has fluctuated multiple times between 50,000 and 60,000. It is expected to decline for the coming years, reaching approximately 42,000 by 2101. On the other hand, the death rate stood at around 10,000 in 1901. So here we can see 1901 and the death rate. This is the line going. It is expected to rise strikingly from 2021 before leveling off to approximately 60,000 between 2061 and 2081. The graph indicates a slight decline in death in the year 2101. So here is the students, we can see the body of the paragraph. With the given data, we have constructed its body. Now comes the conclusion. The graph shows the huge gap between birth rate and death during 1961 to 2001. However, this gap is expected to reduce in the later years. Overall, as opposed to the prevailing trends, the death rate will be more than the birth rate in the later half of the 21st century. So, we will write the conclusion according to the paragraph, according to the data given. So here students, we are coming with the second question. Here in the previous question, we have read about the graph, and in this question, we are going to see the pie chart. This pie chart shows the proportion of the people from different households living in poverty in UK in 2002. Write an analytical paragraph to describe the information in 100 to 120 words. So students, here we can see that single-aged persons, aged couple, single without children, couple without children, and sole parents, couple with children, all households. We can see the various percentages given who are living in poverty line. So let's start the paragraph. The given pie chart illustrates 7 different categories of household in poverty in UK in 2002. So the first introduction will be short and crisp, no other details. Then comes the body. It is clearly evident from the pie chart that 26%, here we can see 26%. 26% of the total poverty striking households are those of sole parents. Then single people without children account for the second highest proportion with 24%. In contrast to couples without children, that accounts for just 9%. Couples with children account for 15% of the poor household. Single-aged parents and aged couples proportion for 12% together for the poor household. So students, according to the percentages given, we are not at all going to include our own personal opinions. Simply the percentages given, the data given, that we are going to jot down in the paragraph. Conclusion. Overall, 14% of all households in the UK were living under poverty. The younger generation had a greater poor percentage than their aged counterparts. Couples without children had better economic condition than those with children. So this is how we are going to construct our analytical paragraph. Hope you understood it. Thank you so much. We'll see you in another video.